In this chat, I'm going to break down what to do if you accidentally snap a light bulb while trying to swap it for a smart one and how to fix it without freaking out. So, first off, don't panic if you hear a snap when you're trying to unscrew a light bulb. This happens way more than you'd think. What you probably ran into is the base of the bulb stuck inside the socket after the glass part broke or got stuck. The key here is safety. Make sure the power is totally off before you even touch anything. Grab a pair of gloves just in case there's some sharp glass hanging around. One trick is to use needle nose pliers or even a potato to twist out the broken base gently. Yeah, a raw potato can help grip and turn the metal part inside the socket without damaging it. If that doesn't work, try using a broken bulb extractor tool, which is super cheap and made exactly for this kind of mess. When you finally get that old base out, check the socket for any damage or burnt spots. If it's messed up, you might need an electrician to replace the socket itself. After all that, you're good to switch in your smart bulb, but just double check the size and type match to avoid snapping anything again. Also, make sure your smart bulb is compatible with your lamp or fixture because not all sockets play nice with every smart bulb. One of the biggest mistakes people make with light bulbs and smart bulbs in particular is rushing the removal without cutting power first, which can lead to shocks or making the situation worse. Another common issue is forcing a bulb that's stuck or broken inside the socket instead of using the right tools or methods like the potato trick or a bulb extractor, which just ends up breaking more stuff. Lastly, many folks don't check if their new smart bulb is compatible with their fixture or dimmer switches, leading to flickering or total failure. Always read the specs before buying. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you want to connect with trusted local contractors who can fix this kind of stuff without any headache. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a great way to find work from homeowners who need help with home repairs or upgrades like this.